Welcome to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the Mahindra XUV300 2026, a compact SUV that's breaking boundaries and rewriting the rules of everyday driving. It's bold, it's refined, and it's built for those who want more than just a commute, they want a connection with the road. From the moment you approach, it makes a statement. The new LED DRLs curve sharply into the headlamps, the front grille is wider and sharper than ever, and those sporty alloy wheels add a punch of attitude. Every line, every curve speaks confidence. Whether you're pulling up to the office or taking off on a road trip, the XUV300 refuses to blend in. Inside, you're greeted with a cabin that blends luxury and technology. The dual-tone dashboard with soft touch materials, premium leatherette seats, and ambient lighting set the tone for comfort. The newly designed digital instrument cluster and 10.25-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system keep everything intuitive and sleek. Navigation, music, vehicle stats, just a touch or voice command away. And yes, it now comes with built-in Alexa and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for a truly connected experience. Start the engine and you'll feel the smooth response of its refined turbocharged petrol powertrain. With improved torque delivery and better fuel efficiency, the 2026 model brings both thrill and practicality. It's not just a drive, it's an experience. Need that push in traffic? The throttle responds instantly. On the highway, it glides. Thanks to its 6-speed automatic gearbox, shifting is effortless and performance stays consistent. Mahindra has worked magic with the suspension. Whether you're in city traffic or on uneven rural roads, the XUV300 absorbs bumps with grace. It's a smooth operator, stable, predictable, and tuned for Indian road conditions. And with selectable drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, you can decide how your XUV responds based on your mood or the terrain. Safety has always been a Mahindra strong point, and the XUV300 2026 takes it a notch higher. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, all-wheel disc brakes, and advanced driver assistance features like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and blind spot detection. Your safety isn't a feature, it's a priority. Space-wise, it's smart. The rear seats offer ample headroom and legroom for even tall passengers. With a 60/40 split folding rear seat and expanded boot space, this SUV makes sure practicality doesn't take a back seat. There's plenty of storage options throughout the cabin too: bottle holders, a cooled glove box, center armrest storage, and even a dedicated mobile holder near the wireless charging pad. And let's not forget the extras that make a difference: rear AC vents, connected car tech, remote engine start, rain-sensing wipers, auto-dimming IRVM, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light and gives you a taste of open skies on every drive. From young professionals to growing families, the XUV300 2026 is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. Whether you're taking on the city or heading out for a weekend escape, it's ready to make every journey memorable. Mahindra hasn't just refreshed the XUV300, they've reimagined it. Better design, better tech, better performance. It's more than just an SUV, it's a daily companion that excites, protects, and performs. So, is the 2026 XUV300 worth your attention? Absolutely. With a fresh new look, tech-forward interior, improved efficiency, and Mahindra's proven reliability, it's positioned as one of the top picks in the subcompact SUV segment. It doesn't just tick boxes, it creates new ones. This is the Dream Cars, and if the Mahindra XUV300 2026 just made it to your wishlist, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon. We bring you more cars that inspire, excite, and drive your dreams. Until next time, keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the horizon.